Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start immediately by shutting down the console completely. Do not use rest mode. Once the Ps4 is off, disconnect the dual shock from Bluetooth by unplugging it, then connect it with a USB cable. Make sure the power light is off and the controller is securely plugged into the front USB port. You do this because safe mode requires a physical USB connection and a full shutdown state. This prevents accidental reboots into normal firmware and ensures the system accepts safe mode commands. Press and hold the console power button, listen for the first beep, then keep holding until you hear a second beep roughly 7 to 8 seconds later. Once you hear the second beep, release the button and immediately press the PS button on the USB-connected controller. The reason is the second beep signals the bootloader to switch into safe mode. Pressing the PS button authorizes input. Stay patient, booting safe mode can take several seconds longer than a normal startup, so wait for the on-screen menu. Select the safe mode option that matches your goal. Restart system, change resolution, update system software, restore default settings, rebuild database, initialize Ps4, or initialize and reinstall system software. Once done, follow prompts and be aware some options erase data, so choose carefully. If the safe mode menu does not appear, try another front USB port or a different USB cable, then repeat the power button sequence. If still unsuccessful, power cycle the outlet and retry up to 2 more times before seeking service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.